this is Cindy Crane the Heart, and I'm back with a haul as well as a birthday challenge update. So the update is that I have a bunch of things happening, and so I'm going to extend the due date for 1 week till July I'm going to say July, I'm trying to think, July 4th, I think is the Saturday. So anyway, you just need to send a birthday card. So that's all you need to do to win a $25 gift card to a store of your choice, or I will send $25 to your PayPal if you prefer that instead. So really easy, just a birthday card appropriate for an 11-year-old girl, mailed to my house. You just need to email me at scoop71@yahoo.com in order to get my address if you don't already have it. And you'll get a point for doing that, and I'll do a drawing to win a $25 prize. The other thing that you could do if you want to do something extra, you can send her something. If you do send her something, then you'll get an extra point for that, and then a VR. So if you do a video response linking to either this video or my original video, then you'll get 2 points for that, and you can leave a comment here or on the original video. Doesn't matter, either one. So really super easy challenge. You don't even have to make anything new for this unless you want to, because I don't know about you, I have a lot of cards already kind of made, so you could just pick out a card, go ahead and put it in an envelope, and then mail it off to me. And again, to get my address, it's scoop71@yahoo.com. Super, super easy challenge, and I extended the due date for 1 week. All right, because I've got a lot of stuff going on actually that week, so that's going to work out for me a little bit. I haven't even planned her birthday, and her birthday's in a week, so what are you going to do? So the first thing I wanted to show you guys is my Darcy's Club kit. This kit is a bi-monthly kit, and I cannot remember how much it costs. I think it's $25. And they auto ship it every other week. It comes in a giant box because you get this big color sheet of project ideas. So let me go ahead and show you everything else that is in here, as well as that project ideas sheet. Let me show you. It's a very unique kit, in my opinion. Sorry, I don't want everything sliding out. So you get, all in color, so you get this sheet of project ideas here, and then you get bits and pieces to actually make the card that you can cut out. To make this card, you can just cut all the pieces out and make these cards. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, I guess. So you get all these different pieces to make all those cards. And all you do is just cut them out, and you can do it. And so my goal is actually to work on these kits, because now I have 2 of them and they're bi-monthly, and I haven't done anything with them. So you get that, and then you get this next piece. So you get directions on making the cards again, using the paper that you can then cut out. So you get all these different sheets of paper, you get a couple of cardstock sheets, and then you get your paper, the designer paper as well. So you get that in your kit. So you can make lots of different cards just with those pieces, and then you get your actual stamps. So in this particular kit, I think Father's Day must be on their minds because it seems Father's Day themed. So you get this one, which is called, I want to say it's called Best Dad Ever, but it doesn't really have a title. But you get this one, which is really cute, kind of a fix-it one. You get this really cute stamp set, which is like a golf one. And then you get this fishing one. which is really cute. And then you get the tin pins that go with that. So I think it's $25 plus shipping, I think is the price. It's on auto ship. So I did get that. That's really cute. So that's actually my second kit that I've gotten. And so that's kind of on my list of projects to do. I have graduation cards to make too. Just a couple of those. Okay, and then I went to Hobby Lobby. And, I mean, I didn't buy a ton at Hobby Lobby, but I did buy a couple of things. Sorry for the crinkling. First of all, they had all of their trims and ribbons 50% off. So I bought my favorite ribbons. So these were all $2. So I got this mint one, the pink one, because I'm all out, actually. And then I got white this time. So those I like, and I do use them. And then I bought mostly, I'm going to get rid of all this crinkling. I'm so sorry, but nobody likes that. So I mostly bought paper. They had a lot of paper, actually, that was still available, that was marked down. However, I just picked the ones I really thought that I liked and I would probably use. So it's a Paper Studio craft kit called All Smiles, and it's this cute emoji one, which is very teen friendly. And so it's $2.24. So with this kit, you get 10 scrapbook papers, a sticker sheet, an embellishment sticker sheet, and an enamel sticker sheet. So you get quite a bit of stuff there. So I got that one. And then they had the Photo Play Paprika, which is one that I haven't had. And it's kind of boho. Oh my gosh, excuse me. But it's like boho, I guess. It's cute. I got it because the color palette's very different than what I normally work with. So sometimes I like to branch out. So it's $2.49, normally $10. So good deal. I did get this one because I don't have anything like this. This is called A Fairy Tale Evening. It's reduced to $3.74, normally $14.99. And it's very pretty. It's kind of shimmery, I guess. But it's all done in sort of whites and silvers. So very wedding friendly. But also very neutral friendly too. So really cute. I liked that one. So that was a good deal. And then I got this one called Pretty in Palms. They also had it in the smaller size. But I just didn't want it in both, and I couldn't like decide, so I just went with the bigger one because I figure I could do more with it. And it's $4.99, normally $19.99, and you can see all the different patterns, and I really, really like it. So you got your swans and your checks right there, and your hearts and your roses, and I like the colors. It's a textured cardstock, so kind of cool. This one's a smooth cardstock, and this was the last thing I got. $3.74. So really, really good deal. It's called the Floral Shop. So you get all these different florals and all in different, color palettes. And so I got that one because that's very different than anything else that I have. But they did have one that I put back. I think it was, I don't know which one it was. If I just changed my mind because I got this one instead. But they had like the A2 size one. They also had 6x6. So I know that they've been having their sale for a while, but they did have some stuff. And I didn't see anything else on sale at mine. In the crafting area, I only saw paper. So maybe it's all been picked over. But anyway, that's my haul. And I hope that you guys join in my birthday challenge. If you have questions, go ahead and put them in the comments, and I will try and answer them. It's just things have been really hectic lately. So anyway, just finishing up baseball season, getting ready for, other stuff and graduation at school. So just really busy. And, so I haven't been posting as much, but I do have some ideas of actual things I need to get done, like graduation cards. I want to work on my Darcy's kits. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Cricut the Heart.